Hello and welcome. My name is Amanda Reed, and I'm going to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about how to use live video in your Illuminate Live session. First, you need to have video enabled, and the moderator has the ability to give each participant permission to turn on their live video. If you have this icon to the left of your name, then you have the permission to use video. And if you have a web camera plugged into your computer, you can now turn on your video by clicking on the video icon. Looks like a little video camera with a green button. The video window is going to pop up. You're going to see your image up in the top. You're going to be able to hide all this extra information if you want, but you'll also want to see that you can make the video bigger and smaller. It comes in 3 sizes, and there's snapshot. We'll talk about that in a moment. Most important is that you'll click preview, make sure you like the way you look, and then click transmit. Another thing to keep in mind is that we have several different qualities, coarse gray all the way up to fine color. So if you are seeing somebody's video in coarse gray, you might want to change yours to fine color. If it's still gray, it means that person is transmitting that way. But to get the best quality, you'll want to go ahead and turn that up. You also can look for your device, and there is an advanced button. When I'm ready to start transmitting my video, I'm going to click preview. I have a little watermark telling you it's previewed, and then I'm going to click transmit. Once again, you'll see here I'm transmitting in fine color. So you would want to, if you're receiving it in gray and you want more color, you just want to change that. We also have multi-point video, so we have the ability to display multiple simultaneous video windows. In fact, up to 6 people could share their videos simultaneously. Now the moderator can control whose view, in other words, which image you're seeing up in the big view. The moderator can control that so it's all synchronized, or the moderator can say, no, I'm going to let each participant control that. And in fact, by clicking one of these thumbnails, you would move that image to the top. You can move the next one, move it up to the top, and move through each one of those images. Remember I said you could change the size of the video. We'll talk about this again in a second, but you're going to do that by clicking these buttons, and you also can snapshot. We'll talk about that as well. So once someone has turned on their video, so let's say the moderator turns on their video and you're seeing their image, and you want to turn yours on as well. All you have to do is click the transmit button and you'll see your video image. Now before you can do that, the moderator must go ahead under Tools and Video and take the maximum simultaneous cameras up to 1, 2, or all the way up to 6. By default it's going to be set to 1, but as soon as it goes up to 6, then you can have all of those simultaneous video images. Now we said the moderator could control and synchronize who's seeing the main image. So if the moderator clicks follow me, then they're going to control the image in the main window. If they deselect it, then each participant once again can click and move those video images around. Frame rate. Frame rate is important. Under Tools and Preferences, you'll find the frame rate is set typically to 7 frames a second. I usually keep it at 7 frames. But it's important to know if you want to turn it all the way up to something like 30 frames a second, you can. Or maybe you need to even take it down because you have people on like maybe dial-up connections. Just remember, the higher the frame rate, the more bandwidth. You also have within Preferences the ability to control whether the video windows automatically open and automatically close. So if you want to, when everybody's turned off their video, the video window will stay open unless you manually close it or you select this option. Here are those 3 sizes of video, so you can toggle through those sizes. You can click Snapshot to take a video image and paste it on the whiteboard, kind of a neat way of really making like a collage of everyone in the class. And you also will note the ESP indicators inside the participant window give you information about what's happening with video. So the yellow halo is going to be around all the videos that are on. The red, the orange, and the orange and red indicators. So what does red mean? A solid red means that that particular participant decided to close their video window. Maybe they just don't want to look at video anymore. Or maybe they're on a slow connection and they just don't want to use the bandwidth for the video. The orange and red indicator lights are just helping you know who's in sync. People are connected in different ways, and they might be receiving your video a little bit slower. So it just lets you know kind of who's in sync. More information is available about using video and about using all of the tools within Illuminate Live right from our training website. You can also get additional information and help from our support team. I encourage you to join our Illuminate user group, participate in our live events, our webinars monthly, and get your free V-Room, 3 for free, right from our website. Thanks for joining me.